can stand out here probably.
It's you first.
Alright, here we have the Ryobi 10-inch surface planer. It comes with the adjustment attachments for making sure that you have the blade inserted correctly into the right sink. It also has an owner's manual for the working of the planer. It's Ryobi. Alright, and now you can see I've got it hooked up here. I've got it cleaned up. You adjust up and down. It goes all the way up, and it says it goes up to 5 inches and then some. And we're going to start with regular 1.5 stock. I've got it clean. Make sure that the belt, you come around, make sure the back end has always got the faceplate coming out for the feeder. Set it in there. That way the wood stock doesn't come and hit that.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're ready to start. Okay, to judge your stock first, we're going to get over here and we're going to lower it down to it to where it makes pressure. It just barely makes pressure, so you can still pull it in and out, but just barely. And that's for the first plane. And we start. Only a half turn. One more quarter turn.